Hey guys, I'm in Huashan Park here in Shanghai, and it's a lovely day. Thought I might show you guys something kind of cool. So, as you know, it's kind of important to have a good mobile kit when you go around making vlogs. And well, this is mine. I picked up a Nanuk 904. Now, I know this looks like it's a nuclear football. It's not. So, let's see what we got in it. Now, you never know when you go filming around exactly what you're gonna need. So, I've got a kind of an assortment here. First of all, I've got my Canon M6. Now, it ain't the best camera as far as tools, but it doesn't overheat like the new Canon R5 does too. But it's kind of cool. It has a really good sensor. I think that's like a 24 megapixel sensor, dual pixel autofocus. The only thing this bad boy does not do is 4K. Now, I realize a lot of people are like, whoa, you need 4K for everything. And that may be true down the line. The fact of the matter is, unless I'm filming something I need to zoom in on a specific area to enlarge or get like a great focus, most of the time I'm uploading in 1080p. And this does 1080p quite nicely. So yeah, but that's not all. I also have a fine assortment of lenses here. I've got the Mona Lisa. This is the Sigma 16mm 1.4 f-stop. This thing is a super fast lens. This will do it all. Now, what I really like about this lens is it is a total bokeh whore. No, I'm not a real whore, but this does a bokeh whore. It says oodles of bokeh, and I love it. It is kind of shallow as far as if you like want to do like a walk and talk. You know, you gotta kind of hold your arm way out there or get a selfie stick, but that's okay. If you want to go a little more than that, then you're going to want to go with like the Canon 11-22. Now this is a nice little guy. What I really like about this lens is it's got a really wide field of vision. Now true, the f-stop on this is pretty narrow. It'll only go from f4 to f5.6. And that's not a lot of versatility, but what it does give you is a wide field of vision. And it'll zoom a little bit.
Just a little bit.
But only a little bit. So, now if you want to get close and up personal, a little wetworks camera style, there's nothing quite like the Pancake lens. This is the 22mm Pancake. This is what we call a prime lens. So there is no zoom in this thing, but it's super awesome if you want to get those nice close macro shots, nice bokeh out the bokeh out the Buddhist, nice bokeh out the yin yang. You get where I'm going with this. This has got some awesome bokeh. Now, again, because this is a 22mm, your walk and talk shot, I mean, if I held this thing as far as my arm can reach, then yeah, I may actually get my full face in the shot. Other than that, I'm not. Now, what I really like about this whole kit is it has everything all together. I went ahead and I cut out all of the individual areas for each camera lens and the camera itself, so it fits in there nice, it's secure. I don't have to wonder about it taking a walk unless I turn my back. I mean, let's face it, these things happen. You do have thieves occasionally, but most of the time it's right here. It fits in good. I also have a little leash because, again, you want to keep your camera close. You don't want it wandering away, or, you know, if it sees other cameras it wants to go out and play with. And it all kind of folds up really nice in this industrial-like case. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. But like anything else, I kind of thought you guys would enjoy me coming out here. Folds up pretty compact, and well, I'll be honest, it is a little on the heavy side. But you know what? That's cool. You can carry it by hand, you can throw this in a pack, and when you get where you want to go, your case and your kit is ready to go with any lens you need for a good film. And honestly, any tool that makes your job as a photographer or videographer just a little bit easier is definitely well worth it in my book. So yeah, that's my new toy, that's my new case, and I just thought you guys get a kick out of seeing that. Like anything else, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, always carry your can of... I didn't bring my can of sardines with me. So I guess I don't have them. We'll see you guys in the next video. And just like that, we've reached the end of the video, which means you now have the opportunity to smash, wham, slam, and wallop that subscribe button, thus never again missing another Snarky Guy video. And not too hard now, a keyboard is a terrible thing to waste. Click the bell icon to get notified, of course. In the meantime, here's a few more Snarky Guy videos because...
I know you're gonna dig this.